Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Well, Halloween is done, Christmas is just around the corner. Just posted my first crypto Christmas meme coin video yesterday about Rizmas. I actually posted one already about New Year's called the Riz Year, posted that video today. But now we have, of course, we have a dog. We need a dog meme coin. It's got to have a hat, and it's got to be a Santa. So now we have DogWifSantaHat, ticker symbol WIFSANTA. And this token just came out today. It actually just came out probably, let's see here, 5 hours, 50 minutes ago. The pair was created on RAYDIUM. And right now, this token is trending number 2 in the Solana section on Dex Screener, doing very well right off the bat. This token, people seem to like this meme. Has a pretty big market cap and pretty big 24-hour trading volume for a token that just came out only 6 hours ago. And we're going to go over the information on the DogWifSantaHat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan. If you're looking for the charts and the price and all the statistical information, you can find it on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, etc. They have a Telegram you could follow, which is at WIFSANTA on Telegram. And it also has another link. It says who are we? So this is the team, I guess, or the person, the dev, who brought you this token. And that will take you over to at Sigma Calls Solana. So if you know that person on Telegram, then, you know, maybe you're more likely to trust this token if you know that dev. If you don't, but you could go ask questions over there on their Telegram. It is linked on the at WIFSANTA Telegram. They have 1,457 members. 673 of them are online. So you could join that WIFSANTA Telegram and ask questions, talk to other community members about the project and learn more that way. Right now they have 6,410 holders. And like I said, this token basically just came out. And they have a total supply of 999.98 million tokens. And the same as their circulating supply. Probably started out with a total supply of 1 billion and then it's deflationary. So that's why the number it is what it is. And then if you go over to, well, you can see that this token was created on pump.fun because the contract address ends in pump. Most meme coins these days on the Solana blockchain seem to be created on pump.fun. Some of the popular ones too are created on Moonshot, and they will have a moon beside it. But this one's trending number 2. They have the marketing boost button there. It says 3,000 lightning bolt ad boost. And they have a market cap right now. The WIFSANTA token is at $2.3 million market cap, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. In the past 24 hours, they are up 2,383% and have a 24-hour trading volume of $4.9 million. Just since they've come out, they've already have 144,217 transactions. Right now, they have $217,000 worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM. And according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price right now is 0.0023 USD. And they have 431.1 pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 44,641,000 WIFSANTA tokens. So it says here on their webpage, which is DogWifSanta.com, DogWifSantaHat isn't literally just a dog with a Santa hat. It's a symbol of festive progress, spreading cheer for futuristic transactions and lighting the way for those who think ahead. This holiday season, it's clear that the future belongs to those who embrace innovations like WIFSantaHat, transcending boundaries and paving the way for a bright new era in finance and technology. They give you a step-by-step how to buy on their webpage, but basically if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet. You could use a Solflare, Phantom, or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with SOL. Now you can fund your wallet with SOL from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with SOL, you'd go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then you would trade your SOL for this token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, DogWifSantaHat.com. Or you can find it on SolScan, BirdEye, DexTools, DexScreener, or in their pinned tweet right here in the corner of the screen at WIFSantaHat on Twitter. Now just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably won't have to set slippage because there is, I haven't seen anything about taxes. And also, there's going to be a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of RAYDIUM. This token may also become available on other Solana dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, and then maybe some central exchange listings in the future. Their Twitter just joined November 2024. They have 319 followers so far, 4 tweets. And on their webpage, they have some stickers that you could add to your Telegram profile there and post those if you like. That's a good way to shill out the token. And then also on Dext, they usually have an audit. I guess because it's so brand new, they usually have an audit on DexTools. I don't think they have one yet. I think it said no audit there. Let me try to pull that up again here. I don't know if I've ever seen it say no audit like that on DexTools before. That's interesting. Maybe it's just loading. But yeah, so they basically, they're getting holders fast here. 6,430 holders. Yeah, no audit. Very strange. They do have a quick audit here on DexScreener that says contract is not freezable and no mintable tokens, but that only goes over a couple things, doesn't go over everything. So make sure you thoroughly do your own research before, investing in any token, especially meme coins. A lot of these tokens can be very volatile, especially in the first day. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.